If you like this video and channel, click on the like button and subscribe button. Also, if you want to have notification when new video released, click on the notified button. Welcome in the video where you can see what is multi-instance and also how to work and create multi-instance data block. Okay, we have some project, we open the organization block. To this organization block we insert some new function block, for example with name main. Okay, we create it by click on add new block. We create function block with language ladder logic and name main. Okay, we insert it to the organization block by drag and drop and create some single instance for this function block. Now we create some new function block. For example, we use function block with name valve, and this function block we use, for example, for controlling the pneumatic valve. Okay, we create function block number 2 with name valve, and when we first we create some inputs, outputs and static variables, for example input 1, input 2 and output 1, and also two static variables, for example variable 1 and variable 2. And creating some simple network, some basic program. Okay, we save it, and now we can by drag and drop insert this function block into our main function block. We use, for example, two function block valve. First will be upper valve and second will be lower valve. Now we can insert it by drag and drop to our main function block, but now we use multi-instance as a data block of this valve function block. This multi-instance will be calling by the main function block, and how we can see, when you use multi-instance you have your data block in the static variable of the main data block. This same will be for the second function block valve. We change the name the valve lower, and now how you can see, all structure of the function block number 2 is in the static variable of the main data block. This is what is multi-instance. You don't wanna have new data blocks in your project tree, but everything you have in the calling function data block. You can see there is all structure of the data blocks, valve. Okay, we close it. Now we go back, and again how you can see, no new data blocks in the program structure, in the program blocks. And also we can try use the array of multi-instance data blocks in the static variable of the main data block. Okay, we create, for example, array of multi-instance data blocks with name valve, and in data type we choose array, and we need array of function block 2 valve. Okay, we click on it, we use for example length 10. Okay, we can delete previous multi-instance, and now you can see we have 10 multi-instance in our array. For example, to know which is who, we can insert the comments to multi-instance. For example, we insert some new function block which will be middle valve. Okay, for upper valve we use index number 0, for lower valve we use index number 1, and for next new valve, middle valve, we use index number 2. We click on the cancel and insert multi-instance array valve with index 2. Now we have all multi-instance in one static array variable, and this is perfect because you don't wanna create new data blocks in your program blocks tree of the project. As you can see, it looks really pretty. Okay, we go back. After changes we update block call, and also we can go check how it look in the main data block. As you can see, there is array of the multi-instance function block 2 valve. All multi-instance have the same structure, and also we can see the comments upper valve, lower valve and middle valve. Okay, this is all for this video, where you see how to create multi-instance or the array of the multi-instance, and also how to implement it to your project. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.